Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing access. Make sure both businesses have business manager, verification, and admin rights. Once done, share the product catalog with the partner and grant catalog manager permission so they can advertise your SKUs. At the same time, install and verify your Facebook pixel and map purchase and view content events to catalog item ID. This enables accurate optimization and attribution. Now create a partner connection in business settings and record the partner ID. You'll need it when building the first campaign. Next, you build the campaign using catalog sales and select the partner-shared catalog and a specific product set. Make sure to enable dynamic creative so products swap automatically, and pick conversion as the objective with purchase value or ROAS optimization to align incentives. Configure audience. Use broad prospecting plus a layered retargeting funnel. Then assign the partner as the advertiser in ad set settings and confirm billing roles. This allows the partner to bid and report while you retain catalog control. Finally, review creatives, UTM parameters, and partner attribution settings before you launch. Precise URLs and tracking ensure correct crediting. Launch, then monitor ROAS, CPA, CTR, and pixel event match rate closely. Make daily adjustments to bids, audience exclusions, and product priorities. If ads don't run or conversions aren't attributed, check partner permissions in business settings and revalidate the pixel to catalog SKU mapping. Mismatches are the most common failure. If billing or access errors persist, contact support with partner ID and campaign ID.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.